I made this with a kit. So now I'm going to make something from the stuff we can find in the garden. So I got
this
and some of the leftover things from my decoration, from aquarium, white sand, this
and
white sand. Yeah, then
plants.
right, we got this plant from the previous one, so we might be using this. Or we went to the garden. We went to the garden to pick all these mosses and plants, small plants which may look good in the terrariums, and let's see how it works out. I'm not expert in terrarium, but yeah, I actually saw some videos, and the previous one, without even considering, I just put all the soil inside. Actually, I'm going to remove it because we need to put these pebbles on the base so that the excess water can drain. So learn from the mistake anyways. So as you see, there are some dried moss, so maybe I'll be using the leftover from the previous kit. But I'm going to try this on top of the pebbles, and then I will put the soil on top of that, see how it works. So I'm extracting all the soil out from the previous mistake, so I am going to try it with a new one, and I'm going to use the pebbles first.
First the pebbles, and then he's going to use some
the moss. Where is the moss? The moss. Yeah, okay, let's try.
Moss.
Yeah, dried moss.
Moss, but it's not kind of like leaves moss. It's just like a moss.
Yeah, okay.
Now we are going to put some soil. Right?
Yeah, we'll put soil on top of that.
Yeah. So we already put some those things. The soil. So never mind.
So in some videos I have seen that they will put a wire mesh or something mesh to isolate the thing, and the soil won't drain down. So I'm just maybe hoping that this moss will work the same way for me.
Maybe the moss will help, but I want to still see. Let's put some soil. Already full.
Wait, let's make a little bit of slope.
Yeah. So let's just like soak it in. Soak it in so it
Yeah, enough. I am making a slope.
You put some duckies.
So here I got some different types of moss which I collected from the garden.
Yeah, we do collected it. Some big and small.
I'm not sure what all the names of these mosses, but they are slightly different.
I'll show you some plants. Hold it here.
We have something here.
Those are very cute.
Yeah.
Found this.
Let's try. I have some rocks here. See if we can add some texture to the
some
thing.
is big, right?
Some are from the aquarium, some are from the garden.
Some from the garden.
So I just put this plant in this rock. There was a groove, so I just planted this there. See how it goes.
You just like put some rock, some, and then it will just.
So these are some different moss,
Yeah.
and I'm going to put it on top of here to cover this.
For like covering the place. After that, we will put this thing. Okay, we just like spread the plant so make it grow and grow. But we will not grow that much because it's under here. Good.
So is some of the plants I showed you earlier in the video that I plucked from the garden. Maybe I just had some cute flowers in it. So I'll just trim this and see how it works there.
Okay, we got this nice cute flowers that we
This drop off from this one actually. Yeah, this flower doesn't show properly.
It's very small. Just put that plants there. We will need to put those flowers as a decoration. The small flower as a decoration.
This is another plant which I got it, so I'm just putting this one also. I think there is not enough space, but I have another type of moss which I am going to cover it up somewhere to cover the roots, and hopefully it will retain the moisture.
Maybe I don't think that those big moss can fit in here because this cup is very small, and we think we need another cup for this. And those one also, this one also.
Yeah, let's see where if we can put little bit of this somewhere.
Yeah, we will cut out some
So maybe this one will work as a carpet.
carpet and the ducks sitting on it like that. Okay, now it can fit. Okay, maybe this one we can cut out. Yeah, cut out somewhere.
Yeah, maybe we'll put this one here somewhere. Okay.
Somewhere in the ducks. Now we can spray the egg. So this leaf, after we put this one, we're gonna put this leaf,
Very good.
and we'll put this right over here. Take the leaves and put in the side for because we have a lot of leaves. And then for here, then we'll put this right here, right now.
Okay, I'm going to put this moss somewhere in the corner here.
And this moss is same, but yeah, we can put it because it's quite small, right? Okay, now we can put some this stems right here.
Let's put something this one also. See, some will survive, some won't. So we have to clean up a bit during our maintenance and see which one will survive, and we'll keep those.
Yeah. So just let it be. Let's wait a bit. Survive. Okay. After we spray it, we are going to put some sand, right? This white sand.
That's okay. What we will do is maybe try to create water pond kind of feeling, so that we can put these ducks.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if this will work.
The white sand can be the water because it's light water, right? So the white sand can be some water. Those water.
Yeah, the white sand will feel like water.
Yeah, and then we'll put the ducks. Yeah, because they're very soft.
So we'll use the white sand as a feel of water.
Okay, so we just put some rocks one by one. And then cover the pond. Maybe this plant we can put somewhere here because make those after that we put those small ducks. Okay, now we're going to put some small ducks.
Yeah, no space. So we have to try next time. So this one have a hole here, so I don't think it. We have to probably spray some water every week.
So now it's done. So we still have a bit. We have fish there.
So how does it look like?